Hello everyone, I'm Henry. I'm 8 years old from Songabak, BRAINet, Pusat Tuition, Minda, Jaya. I'm excited to share my project with you today, the solar-powered rechargeable wheelchair. I got this idea for this invention when I saw an elderly person in the park struggling to push his electric wheelchair because the battery had run out. I decided to help him push the wheelchair to his destination, and that got me thinking, wouldn't it be great if the wheelchair could use solar powered? When I got home, I quickly designed and made a model that could use solar panels to power the wheelchair. When the battery is low, I even cleverly placed the solar panels on the wheelchair to provide the shade for the user. The principle of the solar-powered wheelchair is simple. The solar panels absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity, which powers the wheelchair motor, turning the gears and moving the wheels during the night or on cloudy days. The stored energy in the battery can be used to keep the wheelchair going. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas, please feel free to share. Thank you. Now I'm gonna show you how this model works.